Have you ever been standing in front of your class teaching a lesson and you heard this? Or even worse, this. When our students are learning to use AAC, we don't want them to get distracted. We can use guided access to keep them locked into their AAC or other app. To set up guided access, press the home button. Then go into the iPad settings. Select Accessibility. Then scroll down and select Guided Access. Toggle the guided access switch to On. It should be green. Then tap on the passcode settings. Select Set Guided Access Passcode. Use 123456 as the passcode. If you decide to change it, let your AAC consultant know. How do you turn it on? Open your communication app. In this case, we're using TouchChat. Press the home button 3 times quickly. You may be asked to press Start in the upper right-hand corner. Guided access will turn on. Now, your student will be locked into their communication app. When you want to stop guided access, follow these steps. Press the home button 3 times quickly, again. Enter the passcode that you selected. It should be 123456. Select End in the upper left-hand corner. Now, your student will be able to move from app to app. This will help your students stay focused on communication.